tourists to please come and I'll also take a look and we'll have some maybe some food there. What's your name? Great. Nice meeting you. Okay. He's busy eating. So great. Can I sit here? Yes. That's the local food here, and I'm extremely happy and quite hungry, I should say. So I want to have this. I will not spoil though.
Sir, here we'll have some salad, and here we have a pork.
Yes, sir. Food. Actually, I don't feel like leaving. I feel like eating more. But we have got people waiting. So I'll take leave. Just want to ask how much is the bill? Yeah, please have a minute. Try this. One. Okay.
Come this side.
Thank you very much. I know, so I got thing to show the food to all of you and just eat. But you guys are not able to try this. But then you guys will have to come here to try the food. That is just excellent food. The local food out here, and the people eat, and I can tell you, I think it's one of the best food I've had in a very, very long time. You can really feel the local stuff, the local vegetables, the local chicken, and truly cooked in a local style. So please come and try this out. I also would like to see on how we can promote your homestay, others, and more importantly, tourism as a whole. So we have done a few things, as you know, around here. But what more can we do? So I hope to get good advice from you, good suggestions from you, and I can assure you that I will do my best to make sure that we are actually able to implement your suggestions. Okay? Thank you. No, tell me. I'm a customer.
No, sir, it's okay for now. Thank you
No,
so
no,
much
no.
for visiting our store.
No. Please tell me, how much is it?
It's fine.
It looks nice, really.
No, it won't, sir.
Thank you, man. Firstly, this is your hard work, and it's wrong for me.
And I'm so happy to serve the local.
That's what. So it's my duty to at least give it. It's not. I feel very guilty. So tell me how much.
No, it's okay, sir. Thank you so much for visiting us.
I really don't know what to say. So I'm feeling very guilty also. But she doesn't tell me that I cannot pay.
Like, sir, I
but
can
then,
just ask for like one more. Like, can I have a picture with you?
yes, my God.
Okay.
Sure, absolutely.
फोन sana. थोड़ा हो जाओ थोड़ा खाली कर दो